Right, so if you take the track in front of us, that takes you down the now waymarked blue. Off to the right here is where the blue used to go. So I think we're going to go this way and see what we can find. Right, so it's been years since we tried to ride the old bit of blue trail, and obviously the signage is gone, so we may well get lost. We may well be in the wrong place, but let's see where we end up. I think it's this way. If not, we'll just have a nice little ride in the forest. So we've just come past an old blue painted wooden sign that's abandoned and fallen down, and I know it veers off to the left at some point. I wonder if it's here. I wonder if it's there. Do you reckon it's there? I think that way takes you onto a fire road, so let's keep going. Let's keep going, see where we end up. Bloody hell, he sneezes loud. Ah, we are on the right trail. There's a thing. There's a thing. So we've been riding along this forest path now for quite a while, and we keep passing old blue wooden markers. I mean, they're blue in colour, but there's nothing on them actually to say where we're going. But the fact that they're there is a good sign. It means we are heading in the right direction. But my Garmin is now suggesting that we need to turn off in a minute, off to the left. So we need to watch out for a left turn that looks like a bike trail. So Garmin is suggesting it's through here. I mean, this isn't ridden very often at all. There are some bike tracks in it, but obviously only the locals, I guess, are riding. So I wonder if this is it. This is it. Look, there's a blue thing down there. This is it. So this is the old blue. And there's an old marker post there. I expect, I vaguely remember this trail, but it would have all been clear of debris and smooth, I would imagine. This will be fun, proper overgrown through here. I do remember this bit. I don't remember it being all overgrown like this though. Oh. Yeah, I remember this bit being quite fun when it's not all overgrown. Yeah. I guess we go straight down here. I'll wait for Simon. Do you remember that bit at all?
No.
No? I've got a vague memory of it, but obviously not when it was all overgrown. I have a memory of this bit we're going to go to into the trees. I hope it's still nice. I remember it being fun at the time, so let's see where we end up. Yeah, there's another blue sign there, so we're still on the right track. Probably come across some dog walkers. That'll be interesting. Another one of those Viking looking things. And yes, I remember this bit of trail. Hopefully it's still all rideable and not too overgrown. Yeah. Yeah, remember that? I always thought that bit was quite fun. It was, I think, more open than it is now. Some of these little trees are growing up. But that was fun. So I fell down a bit of a YouTube rabbit hole at the weekend and discovered that there is like an abandoned helicopter in the middle of the forest, very close to Sherwood Pines. So we've made it our mission today to try and find it, and I think we've just found it in front of us. Look at that, like a bit of an old abandoned helicopter. How cool is that? Look at this. Look at this. We found it. There's two of them. Yeah, look, there's a person in there. No head, squished up body. Look, there's another one over there. Old minibus, look, bombs.
It looks like it was either a paintballing thing or it was some kind of training thing.
It was a paintballing place.
You can see the pellets around it.
Yeah, it was a paintballing place. But here we are. We found the abandoned helicopters in the middle of Sherwood Forest. How cool is that? Well, this has been fun, finding the helicopter. You can see it there in Sherwood Pines. A couple of bombs just there as well, bunkers. I didn't actually think we'd find it, but it was actually really, really easy to find. Really easy to find. Now we're going to head back out and head back to the main trails again. And we've just rejoined the latter part of the Blue Trail. It's really, really, really close to the trails. It's very easy to find if you kind of know where you're going. So I can't believe I've been to Sherwood Pines so many times and didn't know that that was even there. So yeah, that's been quite a fun little detour for today. As you can see, the blue is now joined up with the green. And this, now you just follow the fire roads back and it'll take you back to the trail centre.